Hello, welcome to Angel's Tasty Foodies. Come on, we can do this. Prepare around 3 pounds of pork ribs cut into cubes. Place them into your large slow cooker or rice cooker. Add in 6 to 8 dried jujubes. Add some minced onion. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Pour in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Spice it with 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Spice it with 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. Pour in 1/4 cup of mirin or rice wine. Also add 1/2 cup of apple juice. Pour in 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Then pressure cook it for about 45 minutes. While your meat is being cooked, prepare 1 large carrot this way. Prepare 300 grams of radish and cut them this way. If the first stage is done, add more ingredients if necessary, such as sugar, salt, or pepper. Now add in the remaining ingredients. Add 3 to 4 Shiitake mushrooms or other kind of mushrooms. Add about 10 ginkgo seeds. Pour in 2 tablespoons of honey. Pour in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Then cook it for the second time for 20 minutes. Here we are. The meat was so tender and the sauce was so tasty. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, comment, like, or share.